Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the fundamentals. Sign into the Apple ID tied to your contacts and make an on-demand iCloud backup so you don't lose more data. Once you've confirmed contacts is enabled under iCloud, force a fresh backup using settings right arrow iCloud backup, right arrow backup now. This preserves current state before changes. If contacts was off, turn it on and choose to merge. This immediately attempts to restore locally cached entries into iCloud, so you don't start the recovery with missing data. You'll next fetch the actual contact records. Open iCloud. Com in a browser and inspect contacts to confirm copies exist. This tells you whether iCloud holds the data. If it does, go to iCloud settings on the web, choose Restore Contacts, and pick a recent archive to import. This merges back to your device shortly. If iCloud lacks them but you have an iTunes or Finder backup, connect the iPhone and perform a full restore from that backup. Make sure you know which backup contains the missing contacts. Finish by letting the device fully sync. Keep the iPhone on Wi-Fi and wait several minutes so iCloud can push restored contacts to contacts. App. Once done, if entries don't appear immediately, toggle contacts off and on in settings and choose to merge. This forces a resync. If you still have issues, check other linked accounts under Passwords and Accounts. Gmail or Exchange may hold contacts separately. That final check often finds the missing entries when iCloud restoration fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.